went to see Poppy to cop me a brick. Asked for such a assignment, he wasn't trying to hear it. Smoking mad Newports cause I'm doing court for an assault that I caught in Bridgeport, New York. Catch me if you can like the gingerbread man. You better have your gat in hand, cause man,
a man with a dream with plans to make cream, still struggling. Survival got me bugging.
Souls of a soldier in the streets of survival.
Life as a shorty shouldn't be so rough. The rough life, I just be up nights and got still struggling.
Champagne with
may help you maintain
in the everyday struggle.
I grew up on the crime side, the New York Times side. Staying alive was no job, had second hands. Loans bounced on old man. So then we moved to Shallon Land, a young youth. You're rocking the gold tooth, low goose. Only way I begin to G-York was drug loot. And let's start it like this, son. Rolling with this one and that one, pulling out gats for fun. But it was just a dream for the team who was a fiend. Started smoking wools at 16 and running up in gates and doing hits by high stakes, making my way on fire escapes. No question I was speed for cracks and weed. The combination made my eyes bleed. No question I would flow off and try to get the dough off. Sneaking up right boys on full court. My life got no better. Same damn low sweater. Times is rough and tough like leather. Figured out I went the wrong route, so I got with a sick tight click and went all out. Catching keys from cross seas, rolling in MPVs every week. We made 40 G. Yo, brothers, respect my name.
Bring me some motherfucking weed from the hospital. Fuck. Notorious. I'm go pick up 10,000 from Dez and go take about like 20 G's from Dina. Get this nigga next door out of here, nigga be showing all night. I can't sleep. And all that big fat nurse with the long hair that comes suck my dick.
Yeah, boy, baby, come on.
The doctor said I need about 3 weeks of recovery. But the nurses is loving me, saying the best part of the day is my half. Feeding me breakfast and giving me a sponge bath. Niggas say I got dead in the streets. Nigga, I'm getting high, getting head on the beach. Chillin', sitting on about $500,000. With all my niggas, all my guns, all my women. The next 2 years, I should see about $1 billion. All for the love of drug dealers. Got no love for the other side, fuck them shit. Any repercussions, you get my piece, bitch, clip all the time. Big Papa kick the war around, brook flows, and that's how it goes.
Necklace, igloo, ringing thing for the bitches. See them rims spinning, that shit with the beat trimmed and went. There's no larger fills or spurs to rap. On the road to the riches, more furs to grab. More niggas to kill, then birds to back. Hit the jeweler and splurge the tab. Come out the truck like Trick, what up? Call me Sean if you suck, call me gone when I nut. Come out the end of us. Get your friend to fuck, twist it, bend her up. You know the deal, niggas talking real easy on some ballin' shit. That's right. Funny how quick these pricks forget. Come on, acting like I ain't the reason they traded they shit. Switch that 5, cop that 6. That's right. It's all good. You know who the clone is. Fuck the Joneses. Niggas trying to keep up with the cone. Come on. We are. What's his name? He is. Come on. What's his name?
Glass filled to the rim, the notorious K.I. to the end. That's me and MTV, no doubt, titty out like raw. I don't give a fuck, y'all know my attitude. Can't stand my cologne and stay your ass home. You ran your chaperone, things done changed, but we continue to reign as the king and the queen of hip-hop. Me and B.I. Frank White, still listen to other attention. I'm by his side with the chrome fit, playing my position. Sexy, young, from the devil, that bitch rocking mics and high heels to left. We taking over like Francis, switching our styles like the hottest new dances. See, I let y'all live as back a little paper. Be glad I pushed my album back. I did y'all hoes a favor.
We did you a favor. Come on now. What's his name? He is. Bad boy, baby. We are. Come on. We are. Queen Bee, baby. We are. Come on. He is. B.I.G., baby. He is. Come on. We are. Bad boy. 2000. B.I.G. born again. He is. And he won't stop. Cause he can't stop. We are. Brooklyn, baby. He is. New York. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. It's bigger than here. Ha, here, ha, here, ha, here. It's bigger than here. Ha, here, ha, here, ha, here, ha. One thing reflects on how many records get sold on sex, drugs, and rock and roll. Whether your projects put on hold in the real world. These just people with ideas. They just like me and you when the smoke and cameras disappear again. The real world is bigger than all these fake ass records. Wait, folks got the millions and my woman's disrespected. If you check 1, 2, my word of advice to you is just relax. Just do what you got to do. If that don't work, then kick the facts. If you a fighter, rider, bottom, blame, ignite, a crowd, excited, or you wanna just get high, then just say it. But then if you a lie, pants on fire, wolf cry, agent with a Y, I'm gonna know it when I play it. It's bigger than hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip. It's bigger than hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip hop. Who shot Biggie Smalls? If we don't get them, they gon' get us all. I'm down for running up on them crackers in they city hall. We ride for y'all, all my dogs, stay real. Nigga, don't think these record deals gon' feed your season, pay your bills because they not. MCs get a little bit of love and think they hot. Talk about how much money they got. Nigga, all y'all records sound the same. I'm sick of that fake thug R&B rap scenario all day on the radio. Same scenes in the video, monotonous material. Y'all don't hear me though. These record labels slang our tapes like dope. You could be next in line and sign and still be writing rhymes and rope. You would rather have a Lexus or justice, a dream or some substance, a beamer, a necklace or freedom. Still nigga like me don't play hate. I just say wait, it's real hip hop and it don't stop till we get the popo off the block. They call it hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip. It's bigger than hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip. It's bigger than hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip. It's bigger than hip hop, hip hop, hip hop. DP's got that crazy shit. She keep it hard, John Blaze and shit. DP's got that crazy shit. She keep it hard, John Blaze and shit. DP's got that crazy shit. She keep it hard, John Blaze and shit. DP's got that crazy shit. She keep it hard, John Blaze and shit. DP's got that crazy shit. She keep it hard. They call it. Big records. But that's the whole tragic point, my friends. What would I do if I could suddenly feel and to know once again that what I feel is real? I could cry, I could smile, I might lay back for a while. Tell me what would I do if I could feel? I was young, I was surviving the times, waiting for my moment, I was destined to shine. Lil Ray had an NXX, I was hoping I'm next, wanting bracelets, never had a rope on my neck, unless I was holding Taye chain, rest in peace. Even though that night you flipped on us, you warned us. If you came back and we still in the corners, weak corners. Moving on to move your arm and your watch to another time on the block, cause this 40 side where they said shorty rhyme, tragedy he used to come through all the time. I'm talking Juice True, not what the word defined. He had a sister named Eric, for sure was fine. That was my first crush. I bought my first mic, I wrote my first verse. I was about 9, I was about mine, fantasized house buying. Met Paul, he wore some big glasses. Him and Mel Korn took me where G-Rap lived. I was happy just getting some answers. I ain't even know what a record advance was. I'm seeing whole sex in the studio bathrooms with rap dudes thinking, wow, she moved me. Same girl then, right now's a groupie. Back then, she was like the star in the movie. Large jewelry and expensive Gucci. Next stop, paid in full, posse recruits me. Knew they were some millionaires, they ropes with Dookie. L&B man looking like shooting. You see, every time Rod didn't show, I get to record